Look at the texture. One, two, three. Wow. Wow. Paradise. Actually, I really cannot resist. Pro.